Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you my updated foundation routine. Now I've been doing this routine for a couple of times now, and I really like how my face looks, how my skin looks after I do this routine, because I do have a lot of acne scars on my face and my face is more on the oilier side. So what happens is, if I have to wear my makeup for the whole day, or let's say if I have to go to a really long event, my foundation does tend to get a little bit oily, especially in this zone, and I have to do a lot of touch-ups throughout the event or throughout the day. So that just makes my skin look more cakey, my foundation look more cakey and not at all flattering. So I saw this trick a while ago actually online, where you lay down your powder before your foundation and then you lay down the foundation on top of the powder. I know it sounds very weird, but yes, this trick definitely works, guys. So it was during that time that I saw this trick, but I never really got around trying it on my own because I always seemed in a hurry. So as I said, this kind of routine will take some of I guess more time than your usual foundation routine. But trust me, if you're going to an event, or if you want your makeup to last the whole day, if you're going to a wedding, if you're going to a party, trust me, this trick will help you a lot, because this makes your skin look so matte and less oily. Of course, matte means not oily, but yeah, it makes you look more matte, and also gives you that extra coverage, because I do have a lot of acne scars, and doing this trick does give me that extra coverage, which is great, always great for me. I love coverage on my skin because I do want a clean, neat base on my skin to work on. So yeah, so that is what I did. So before getting into the video, guys, even though I saw this trick a while ago online, recently I saw Jackie Aina, she's a YouTuber here, and I saw her do this trick, and I absolutely loved how her skin looked. So I was like, okay, it's high time I gave it a try. So I think I should give a shout out to her in this video. So yeah, so without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna start off by taking a not a wet sponge, a damp sponge like this. This is the Innisfree, I think this is called as the cover stamp sponge. I'm not exactly sure about the name, I'll mention it somewhere in my video, but yeah, this is how the sponge looks, and this is from the Innisfree brand. Now I absolutely love this sponge, and I do feel personally that this is a very good tube for the beauty blender, and it's way cheaper than beauty blender. Trust me, if you buy the sponge, this will definitely not disappoint you. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder in Banana, and I'm going to take the smaller side of this sponge, and I'm going to dip it into the powder, and I'm going to put it on my face. Trust me, guys, this definitely did make huge difference on how my foundation looked when I laid it on top of this. It sounds very weird, definitely, but yeah, trust me, this definitely works. You can use a loose powder or any compact that you have. Definitely, it doesn't have to be a loose powder. I would definitely prefer a powder which will give you that extra coverage if you're looking for the extra coverage. So yeah, I'm gonna put this all over my face. So I'm gonna take the smaller side, put the powder on my face, and then take the bigger side and then just buff it in. It definitely brightens up the skin, guys, definitely. I cannot believe I waited this long to actually do this, honestly. I've primed my skin, which is by using a good moisturizer and a primer. I wait for some time so that the moisturizer sinks into my skin, and then I apply this powder on top of it, because I don't want it to be too tacky. Also because also if you have oily skin like I do, I would ask to stay away from the oily kind of moisturizer. Use a moisturizer which is less oily and which just moisturizes your skin without making it look greasy. So that is what I would suggest. So I think I've laid down enough powder on my face, and it's definitely soaked in. So next I'm going to go and lay down the foundation on top of it. Today I'm going to use the Maybelline 24-hour foundation. You know I love this foundation, so I'm just going to use this foundation in today's tutorial all over my face. And then I'm going to take my usual foundation brush and then just buff this in patting motions. Patting motions always give you more coverage than the dragging motions. So yeah, that is what I do. Of course, you cannot cover the fresh pimples, guys. There isn't really much that you can do, because you can always, or you can see these bumps on my face, but yeah, the blemishes, yeah, it covers the blemishes excellently, and I love it. Also, guys, let me know if you want to do me a video on the foundation basics, or like how to choose the right shade, how to apply it, or what kind of tools do you require to apply the foundation, what is the prepping that is needed, anything, guys. So if you want me to do a video like that, please sound off in the comments below, and I'll definitely do it for you guys. So yeah, guys, the foundation is pretty much buffed in. So next I'm going to move on to the concealer, and I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution concealer. I'm absolutely in love with this concealer. I cannot stop using it. I cannot believe that I'm not using my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer anymore. I mean, I still love that concealer, but I'm just addicted to this right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna conceal with this. I'm actually taking the same damp sponge and buffing this concealer into my face. Using a sponge definitely takes more time than using a brush, but the results are definitely flattering, guys. I think flattering is the word of the day. It definitely looks good, because this sponge actually soaks up the excess product and makes your under eyes look less cakey. So even though this takes time, it's worth it. So next I'm going to set my whole face again using the damp sponge itself. So I'm going back into my Makeup Revolution powder, and I'm going to use this to set my under eyes as well as my whole face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this on my cap, and I'm going to spray it with some of my setting spray, or you can use your primer water or setting spray, doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna like give it that little dampness, little more dampness, and again, doing this, guys, makes your face look less cakey. Definitely less cakey, because it pushes the powder into your skin and it doesn't look like the powder is laying on top of your skin. So that's always a plus for me, because laying down too much of powders does make your skin look, well, cakey, and it looks so powdery, and I don't really like that how it looks. So yeah, I actually did this trick in my previous video, guys, the video of Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, and I did this routine on my face, and many of you really liked how my skin looked, and I did too. And I was like, okay, I think I should share with everybody my updated routine, because it's really good, and especially for oily skin, for somebody who has a lot of blemishes. Yeah, so definitely a very good routine. So yeah, so that is how my skin looks. Also, what I'm going to do is, to make extra sure, I'm going to take this setting spray and spray my face with it, and then I'm taking the sponge and I'm just pushing the setting spray into my skin. This is a matte setting spray, so I'm just making extra sure that my skin looks matte throughout the day. I've actually done my eyebrows, which are not happy, by the way. They do not look like sisters today, but cousins, maybe cousins. They look like cousins. So what I'm going to do is, I'm quickly going to bronze up my skin, and I'm going to use the same bronzer that I've been using forever. This is the Makeup Revolution bronzer, ultra bronzer. So I'm going to quickly bronze up my skin to give it some dimension, because it does look very flat. Oh, I'm not sure if I want to apply highlighter today. Should we go ahead and apply some highlighter to our face? The Wet n Wild highlighter in Megaglo highlighter in Precious Petals. I'm gonna load my brush. So next up, I'm applying my mascara. This is the Lash Sensational Maybelline mascara, and I'm going to apply just one coat of this mascara very lightly, because to be very frank with you guys, I'm not really going anywhere. I mean, it's literally just morning and I just woke up to film this video for you guys. So yeah, just a one coat of mascara I think is fine. My mascara, and I've applied the eyeliner, the Essence eyeliner. Next I'm going to move on to the lips. I wanted to use this lip for a very long time, guys. I wanted to use this in my soft glam makeup look, but it was too bright for that look, so I'm trying it out today, so let's hope it looks good. So hi guys, this is the finished look. This by the way, I think I forgot to mention, this is the Maybelline Superstay matte ink in the shade Romantic 30. So this is the shade. Definitely it's too bright, but something different. I think I can wear this. Yeah, something different. So yeah, so that was the liquid lipstick on my lips. So yeah, so this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I definitely like how my skin looks if I do this routine, guys. I think I'm going to do this routine a lot now, because I really like how it brightens up my skin and how good it looks. So I hope you try it too. Definitely, if you have oily skin, this will definitely help you out, because it helped me out, and I have really oily skin and a lot of blemishes on my skin. So this is a blessing for me. So I absolutely loved doing this routine for you guys. I hope you did too. Please let me know in the comments below what you thought of this video, if you've tried this trick before. Also let me know if you want to do want me to do a video on foundation basics, and I'll definitely do it for you guys. Please comment down below, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Wow, I'm out of my breath. There was a package which just came. I'm on 7th floor, so I really had to run down and pick up the package.